In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the ratio in Premiere Pro to the TikTok format. So let's say you've got a landscape video and you want to change it to TikTok format. How exactly do you do that? So first, you need to create a new project and obviously import the video. So I'm just going to call this video project example1, and then we'll click create. Now, once we've created the project, we can drag in our video. Now, I am on the window workspaces. I'm inside the color window. We're going to change to editing, and now we can drag in the video. So I'll just drag in a video from a tutorial. So we'll just go ahead and drag it onto my timeline. You can also drag it into the project settings as well. So here we are inside of the timeline. Now, let's not edit the video. Let me just show you how you can change the dimensions. So what you will do, you will go to sequence in the top left-hand corner. You will then click on sequence settings. And this is the easiest way, in my opinion, to do it. And you want to change the frame size from whatever it is to 1080 by 1920. And it's going to change it now to the vertical 9:16 format, which you should be using for TikTok. Then go ahead and click on enter, and that will save that. It might give you a warning saying that requires all preview files to be deleted. Just go ahead and click enter, and now you can see that we've changed the file dimension. Now we can click on the project, and here, if you're under effect controls, you can increase the scale, and obviously you can move the position left or right, and obviously frame your clip. So that's how you would do it. Then when you export it, it will export in the TikTok format. So I hope that quick video was clear and helped you out.